So the first look I'm going to do is just a Kim Possible. I have done my makeup for you guys so many times. I figured we just kind of hop right in. This one was one of the more simple ideas that I had. This is just some Carity lipstick. I'll put the link to the lipstick below. I kind of used a mixture of like pink and brown to get kind of like, it wasn't so much burgundy, but I don't know. This kind of gave me like the look I was going for. My brows, I just did them like normal, but I did them with oil paint in the color black instead of using like an actual brow pencil. This highlighter is from Maybelline. It is the Master Chrome highlight. Again, I'll put everything below, and I just wanted my face to look extra nice. These contacts are from Irisbeauty. The color is some shade of brown. I don't really remember the exact shade, but I do have a coupon code with them if you guys want to use it and save some money on these contacts. They look super natural. It's kind of weird though because they are brown in the container, but I don't know. So my second look is Shego. So I'm going to start with my JACKLYN Hill palette. I'm using kind of a mixture of a couple of different green colors in here to kind of give me the look that I want for this particular look. This particular look was inspired by a girl I just found on Instagram yesterday, like before I decided to do this, minutes before. And I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys hit me up. It is BellaMerlot _ Bella Merlot, whichever one it is now. I keep changing it. But yeah, so I was highly inspired by her and I was so happy with the way that it came out. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. For you guys to see. So I just used the white color kind of as a base to use as my transition. I put this lime green color from the crayon case, oh my god, the James Charles palette, and I just wanted the green to really stick out the most, so I did most of my lid with the white and the green and kind of just faded it into this dark deep forest green color so I can cut my crease. When you guys do this, make sure you blend all the edges out, because doing looks like this with bright colors, you don't want to see the line of demarcation between any colors. So I just use a fluffy Morphe brush to kind of blend everything out. And my trick is, if I'm blending from lighter to darker, I put lighter on my brush and blend down. If I'm blending dark to light, I focus most of the color on the dark and slightly like feather it out. I don't really know how to describe it, but that's to me the best way to blend dark colors to light colors, is to put more colors on top of the ones that are already there. Because if you just use a dry brush or brushes that don't have any color on them, a lot of the times it'll pick up the color that's already down there, and we don't want that. Now I'm just cutting my crease. This is a flat Morphe brush. I'm going to put the link below for you guys. And I just kind of flatten it out with my hand, my finger first. And then I used some Juvia's Place concealer. I think it's the color number J13 or J15. This is the white from the Crayon Case palette and also the Morphe and James Charles palette. This green came from the Crayon Case and Morphe, James Charles, and then this darker green also came from my JACKLYN Hill palette. That was one of the first colors that we put down. I'm using the same colors that I put on the top on the bottom. These lashes are from the Merlot collection. Of course, they are my lashes. They are in the style Merlot, my favorites. And I just kind of put these on because you can wear these with really extravagant makeup and they won't block your eyeshadow. That's what I love about wearing these lashes. So put some bottom lashes on. Now I did clusters. I just took some IMV eyelash adhesive, the super strong kind, and I just kind of put them on one by one. I put about 5 underneath underneath both eyes. I just thought that gave it a little extra oomph to the look, and it definitely did. I think it really set it off really nice. But do you guys see this blend on this eyeshadow? I'm like, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I'm topping it off with some highlighter from Anastasia. This came from the Moonchild palette. If you guys don't have that, I don't think she sells it anymore, but this was a hit, like for all of these holographic highlighters. Like I love using it on Halloween. Looks like these. Next, I'm going over with some black oil paint. This is the same paint that I use for my eyebrows. If you guys are interested in buying some, Amazon has like little palettes that you can buy. I got mine from Amazon, and you don't have to get the super expensive one, but I mean this one was I think $11. What I'm doing now, I'm taking some black eyeshadow and setting my lipstick with it. This paint is oily, so as soon as you touch it, it's going to transfer to anything. So I like to set it with a powder. You can use translucent powder or just black eyeshadow. I use the black eyeshadow because it makes it blacker. So I did switch my wig, obviously, because we're transforming from Kim into Shego. So I'm just flat iron curling most of my hair. I didn't want to do all of it because I was kind of like over it at this point. I just wanted to take my pictures and just take my makeup off. But I just put like some big curls in it and combed them out just so you kind of get that effect. If you have a bigger hair with more volume in it, of course, that'll get the point across a little bit more. But this is just something really quick and easy that you can do for Halloween if you have those last minute costume idea troubles. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I really love the way it came out. Everyone loves it on my Instagram and Snapchat and wherever else you guys hang out these days. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.